let's go a little bit more deep into what are terms here. So what are variable terms? Variable terms are terms with variables in which different numbers are substituted. Recall that I gave you the definition of terms. They're basically constants, variables, or even results, products, and quotients. Variables, for example, are they can be x, they can be y, or they can be z. So y equals x minus 3. Okay, and let's say we have a word problem that says find the value of y when x equals 10, 15, and 20. So you see this x right here? Well, it's going to vary. And this y here will vary as well, depending on what we substitute x with. All right, so substitute to the expression. All right, subject to change. And so we have the first thing that says 10 minus 3. Well, the y is going to equal 7. When x equals 15, 15 minus 3. Well, y is going to equal 12. And when x equals 20, 20 minus 3, y will equal 17. So y is subject to change depending on what variable we put in, right? So here we have y equals x to the second power minus x plus 10. X equals 2. Well, what are the variables here? Well, this x right here is a variable, all right? And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute this variable with a 2. All right, so let's say y equals 2 to the second minus 2 plus 10. All right, let's go ahead and solve here. Y equals 4 because 2 to the second power is 4. Let's go ahead and let's change this to an addition sign, plus negative 2 plus 10. Y equals 2 plus 10. And the next regrouping eventually gives us y equals 12. All right, so when x equals 2, y will equal 12. Once again, variable terms are terms with variables in which different numbers are substituted.